Alright, time for the exhaust to come off. Alright, so I got my bracket here, never painted. I never even tightened up the nuts on the back side. I did a quick test ride, never finished torquing everything down. Oh, those bolts are tight. That one doesn't want to loosen up by hand. 5/8. I don't want 5/8. 9/16. No, I didn't bring it up. Dumbass. I was going to need it. There you go. That's out. Oh, fuel line. There it is. This will all just fall off pretty easy. Let's see, I gotta get this baffle out of here before I get too deep in this thing. Well, it's mounted on the bike. Okay, there's one screw down here. I don't think that one did anything. This is the one that did anything. Let's get this tip off right now. I gotta go in here and open it and modify that muffler. It's way too restrictive. I thought it'd be a lot less restrictive, but it's terrible. So it's gonna get opened up a lot. Let's see, where's my little Allen's at? A few one of these little ones. More than that. Yeah, how small is that damn thing? Alright, it's obviously not what I'm looking at. Let's see, what is this thing? Looks like that stupid safety crap. It is. Safety Allens. Garbage. I got some of that crap. Now, these are Torx, not Allen. An Allen or Torx under there? I don't remember. Looks like an Allen to me, but it ain't the size I was using. Let's try that one more time. It's definitely got a dimple in there. Alright, we'll deal with that when I can see what I'm doing. Spending too much time dicking around with something that ain't that damn important. Okay, we get this exhaust off. I had to undo one heat shield, as I recall. Why? No, I didn't do any heat shields. Just got to pull them apart. No heat shield requirements. It appears I forgot to tighten up the bolts on this. So they loosened up. I swore I tightened those. Maybe only half tight. Yeah, that one had, yeah. I thought about some torque. Maybe the exhaust gasket gave a lot. I don't know. Get them fill down the hole someplace. Didn't make the pan yet. Go check out this front one. So Harley, when you get these stupid heat shovers up in the way, you can't work on them. In the end, you got room to work on. I like that. Plus the frame's out of the way too. One. Just need a ratchet right in there and get right to it. It's a lot easier than Harley. I'm only missing one nut. Pretty good. It went down there somewhere. Alright, now I just got a couple of bolts down here. She's out of here. Alright, 0.9/16. Yep, they are. Okay, that's mounted that to that. So we only got to pull the 2 bolts. That should be it. The other ones to stay. Two bolts, 2 spacers. It's out. You have to clear everything. It's always the hardest thing. Getting the flanges off, getting the nose sticker out. That one's off the studs. That wasn't too hard. This footboard was a problem, as I recall, getting this out of here last time. There we go. One nice unit. Makes it easy to come out. It's heavy too. Yeah, there's the nut. And we is off-road riding, I guess. Okay, I think that's about it for this pan of parts. We'll take this pan and put it away so we don't put other crap in it. There you go. Nice and easy. We can now see a motor. Problem is getting the motor off. Okay, this tank will come off easy because there's nothing attached to it. So it's probably easier to take the tank off than deal with all this stuff. So we have to figure out what's going to take to get this off. Alright, we'll be back in a minute.